In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jupyter Notebook on desktop. Before we begin, make sure Jupyter is already installed on your computer, either through a Python distribution like Anaconda or via pip. With that ready, start by opening the folder on your desktop or in your file system where you want your notebooks and files to live. Working from the right folder keeps everything organized and ensures any notebooks you create will be saved exactly where you expect. With the folder open, go to the address bar at the top of the window. Click once to highlight the path, type CMD, and press Enter. This opens the command prompt directly in that folder, so when you launch Jupyter, it uses this location as its working directory. In the command prompt, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. Jupyter will start a local server and, in a moment, your default web browser should open to the Jupyter interface. You'll see the contents of the folder you chose, which confirms you're in the right place. From here, go to the File menu, hover over New, and choose what you need. Pick Notebook to create a new interactive notebook, select Terminal if you want a command line session in your browser, or choose a specific language environment like Python if it's listed. For most workflows, a new Python notebook is the best starting point. Once the notebook opens, click into the first cell and start typing your code. Run a cell with Shift plus Enter to execute it and move to the next one. Use the plus icon to add more cells as you build out your analysis, and switch a cell to Markdown when you want to add notes or headings that explain your work. Rename your notebook at the top so it's easy to find later, and remember to save regularly. Each notebook is stored as a .ipynb file right in the folder you started from. That's it. You've launched Jupyter from your desktop folder, created a new workspace, and you're ready to code.